he's not here to ask for more money. Good now. Yes, and on to me so.
129 billion now. Assign him enemy and answer the overpay account.
That is the problem because I was in one accredited, so Maya umuye for Kogum. Na iniko ya mifiase no eka no keno foriata na na kufu ado we ne Dr. Baumi ade won afaga na fu sesapofunu won fa yenye hwe because ansa da me kwa asem na nkasa ne simpie so no na ase ne mpompon so no the person me nso me fa kwan so na me tu minority minority in parliament NDC mayoku na wo no. Yeah, Haruna Idrisu can't send be Nora. Honorable minority leader. What's say? I just want to quote it. What's say? We are not going to cooperate fully with the government again. He said it.
Anna, a minority leader,
yes, because of a court case in the Basso. So what you say?
Yeah.
What's say? Nemo me afutu amede ma on say asem na okan no ebirimu etumi frɛ yɛ sɛ woni gidi wom osbo hu baby saye on the 6th on the 7th minority ya de pa so obehwa me ye nipa bi a me be defend won me ma ha mo bi aka asem a mama akosa atrada we always defend yes we always defend
we cry no ba na ye no mama ye yan for ye kan asem
yen kade ye momode ya ne defend ye MPC no but say no ne say the grassroots has lost confidence in them our minority yes parliamentarians no it won't make sure say on the 6th on the 7th aduomo ye ya they were able to gather and rally all the grassroots behind them no they should maintain that speed. That trust should be there because they are the only mouthpiece for the whole NDC party and ordinary Ghanaians, those who didn't even vote for us. No more voting for MPP or my disappointed no any floating voters no minority NDC minority or parliament no you should not disappoint those people because you will quite be brave. You be to me the abide way afaso. And I know I still have confidence in them that they can do it. NDC minority, you them say issues to be or President Kogwari will pray me a minority in the buy. So I say offer $23,000, a year pound sterling, 15,000. Or the Kogwari in over 134 million Ghana cedis per hour. Or the Kogwari. So I say, into a year nina, I don't know you. Minority for the day, money back, Nina be buy. Antigen test a war airport ya. Go menu. To name in the air crowd what they say contract the man. So I say, Minister of Health. Also him. Yes. So I say,
no contract to be throw be on phone.
Who to be throw be? Now him or can't send be my air what committee anyone. Yeah, man, someone see yesterday, but no so near we have to
serious.
We have to deal with that man, that minister. I'm so
one
and it's not surprising say the man is still at post because Nana Akufo-Addo is a complex. Or your part only mushia in Kenya because one assembly by and must cabinet approve anywhere. So who authorized Ken Ofori-Atta to make advance payment? Get what you say?
Matias pa ebusia.
Na papa we obi a wuni mu no etumi ne wo kasa o phone so e ma mo ya advance payment. Efe wi a wo se fe di ade na ma e ma onipa dan kasa assembly sia. But we'll come back
at the 99 dollars no my
9.95
yes
9.95
$99
no 9.95
okay it's $10
African Union no and no money called play
you fan say $10
yes and even you see
no more $19
so I have it I have those documents here and I will prove it. You see, only say no one has
okay, asem no kasi.
Yes, now when him say even WHO And warning the whole world say we should be careful about middlemen. When he was at the committee, no, I don't know, also on your way. Me, the minister, but I have that information. And I have that website, even Chinese website to crap publishing that, from WHO. And warning say, nobody should deal with middlemen because we're short than you. And I don't know, my friend is saying, vaccine. It will be able to me, even if I'm a fake, to get it from the source. Now, Papa, we that's what it was. Na Ghana is come on the good atopre. I didn't see the make us. Me say make money in ano. Nipo to me this side and a minority for and a bomb of the year. Intimibo on Abaso bet. They have a lot to do. They have more room.
If you have not studied the history of Bible, but who book I will see your common sense. No, it has not been in circulation for even 20 years. A book that is over 1,000 years old. Quran, which is over 1,000 years old. You are telling me, say, I should throw Quran away. I should throw Quran away. Me to Quran and Quene. Now me do kwasiam penny way I wouldn't need a track record. I been before Moshe. Wouldn't need a track record. Where is your track record? Okay, Jeffrey, where is your track record? Oh, me na me general manager of Haneha. Me buy ya no na omusika sem will say. Me buy ya me peda ko say. Eti me kase muntie. Ghana is cheap. Ghana is cheap. And no about you when they come upon a Jimmy for man. I could go say Chenku. Now Jimmy for man, I could go say Chenku. No, where's the pound? Hey, Brown idiot, don't know about Jimmy Crown and a pound. Quasia or the Obelus who views and the Akojisica. The same way, Kwame Sari, plus Jimmy, about S. Glacier, Kwame Pradinity said the same. I feel one Muslim Musiadiano. Kwame plus by no one make S bless him. Kwame plus or TTP or Sidentia or say na me pacho per the constitution. A first moment intro me answer. O kateche frifa Avram Ben Moshe Captain Kwasia Kwejo Kwasiam Penny Smart per the constitution. Does the parliamentarians go for pension? Obi MP or pension? What to be that? What to say a pension package for anybody who went to parliament? What to be that? Mama yanka. Mama who say Obi akọ parliament me yaman pension. Mo can tell me. Parliamentarians do not fucking go on pension. That is why per Article 71 they fell under the presidential emolument scale. It's almost the S Gracia. Because you be MP Nana Addo and cancel when you pension they are called per the constitution. No, it is never done that way. And stupid fools, you guys know. Obi a chief executive for board, Obi a worker for board, Obi a nurse, Obi a teacher, Obi a one or call pension when the pension time comes. Obi will be MP one time on DBO. Obi will be 4 years back. And no thing more teacher constitution, no. My junior fan say, since you are more MP for no, yet the pension scheme for you. It is better we give you what is called S Gracia. But on himself, so back no better down say S Gracia and penifone this guy and penifone this guy. Who can any want you will no be jedi. Sa kwasiam pa fo we a omugo me screen issue a o manim dwofu teja jimi fo we no. We no sorry a ye celebrities. What have you done that you should be celebrated? Obi Mbadi ba ko Kateche free for leading Ghana. Say he led the Ghanaian youth for a demonstration to parliament. He led the Ghanaian youth for a demonstration towards this. To Utie, Avan stupid Ben Moshe. If you are a man take care of your stupid kids with your own hard work money. The way and Crawford, a quite human 9 to 5, a pesky cadicha yemano. We are bear marshal massa. Would we go rough, tan, and a pesca dia show me your dad, CNT. What for Ghana for Jimmy for Nibia, Yajin Yajumaho, and I would that Diana, would you Jiska. Now, would they just our man, our woman, what Takano?